Lesson 5. May and might, Part 2. We use may and might to talk about possible actions or happenings in the future. Examples: I have not decided yet where to go on holiday. I may go to Ireland. Now, this sentence means possibly I will go there, but I'm not sure yet. Take an umbrella with you. It might rain later. So this means possibly it will rain. The bus is not always on time. We might have to wait a few minutes. Now, this means possibly we will have to wait. Okay. The negative forms are may not and might not. Okay. Let's see examples. Amy may not go out tonight. She is not feeling well. Now, this sentence means possibly Amy will not go out. Okay, let's see another example. There might not be enough time to discuss everything at the meeting. Now, this means possibly there will not be enough time to talk many things at the meeting. Okay? Very good. Let's compare will and may. Might. I will be late this evening. That is for sure. So, I am sure that I'm going to be late. I may be late this evening. I might be late this evening. Now, this is possible. Okay? In our last sentence, it is possible that I will be late. Okay, very good. Usually, you can use may or might. So you can say, I may go to France, or I might go to France. Jane might be able to help you, or Jane may be able to help you. Okay, very good. But we use only might when the situation is not real. For example, if they paid me better, I might work harder. So don't say I may work harder. Don't use may in this case, okay? Because the situation is not real. If they paid me better, I might work harder. That is not a real situation because they are not paying me well. Let's see another example. I might perform excellent if they offered me admission into the school. Don't use I may perform because they did not offer you an admission. So, it's just a kind of possibility should in case something happens. Okay? I might perform excellent if they offered me admission into the school. Okay, very good. It's just like a condition. But for now, I don't have an admission into the school. So we use might because the situation is not real. Okay, very good. There is a continuous form. May, might be, plus ing verb. So we can also use may and might with a continuous verbs. Let's see some examples. Don't phone at 8:30. I might be watching the football on TV. Or I can also say, I may be watching the football on TV. Now, this means possibly I will be watching it. Okay? Possibly. Let's see another example. Can we meet at Talks restaurant in downtown? I might be eating lunch at noon, Monday through Friday. Can we meet at Talks restaurant in downtown? I might be eating lunch at noon, Monday through Friday. Okay, very good. We also use may, might, be plus ing verb for possible plans. For possible plans, okay? If you have a plan which is possible, you can use may, might be plus ing verb. Okay, let's compare now with examples. I am going to Ireland in July. Now, that is sure. So I have a plan to go to Ireland in July. Okay, now let's see the way we used might plus ing or may plus ing. I might be going to Ireland soon. Or I may be going to Ireland soon. Now, possibly, but we are not sure. Okay? Possibly, but not sure. So, you can see the difference between the two sentences. I am going to Ireland in July. Very sure. I know that I am going in July. So, I might be going to Ireland soon, which means it's possible but not sure yet. But note that you can also say I might go or I may go with little difference in meaning. It's almost the same thing. Okay, very good. So you can say I might go to Ireland in July. I may go to Ireland in July. So it's almost the same thing. Okay, very good. Now, let's look at might as well. Might as well. Okay, let's see an example. Flor and Patty have just missed the bus. The buses run every hour. Flor said, "What shall we do? Shall we wait for another bus?" And Patty replied, "We might as well take another route. We may as well take another route. It's a nice day, and I don't want to wait here for an hour." Okay, very good. Now, if you look at these sentences, it's just like a conversation. You notice how Patty used might as well or may as well. Okay? It's just like taking another option of something. Okay? Taking another option of something. Plan B. Okay? We can say plan B. Now, for example, plan A failed. Plan B. So we can use our plan B. All right. Very good. we might as well do something, meaning we should do it because there is no better alternative. Okay? There is no reason not to do it. We only have another option. Since option A failed, we have option B. May as well is also possible. Okay? You can also use may as well. Okay, for example, what time are you going out? Well, I'm ready, so I might as well go now. Buses are so expensive these days. You might as well get a taxi. Now, in the last sentence, it means taxis are as good, no more expensive. Okay, very good. Excellent. Now you know how to use your may and might. Excellent. Very good.